Hello from a very rainy and misty Florida. We are back at the Tower Garden for this episode of Green Eggs and Ham. 2 episodes ago, we sowed seeds in rockwood cubes. And as you can see today, they have sprouted. And some of them are ready to be transplanted into the Tower Garden. What we're going to do is we're going to place now 26 of these into the Tower Garden. And then we'll tear off rockwood cubes and place those in here. The rockwood cubes are going to serve as the growing medium for the plants, while these will make sure that the rockwood gets in contact with the water as it falls through the tower. So basically 26 of these now go into the tower like this. And then I will tear cubes of rockwood off and put those into the net pots. So I'm going to fast forward the video here while I do the net pots, and then we'll come back and we'll do the rockwood. Now that we've got the net pots all installed in a Tower Garden, we can go ahead and put the rockwood in. The water is pumped up to the top and then goes via gravity through the shower cap down to each of the net pots. The rockwood then absorbs that water and becomes the growing medium for the plants. So let's get planting. Just like putting the net pots in the Tower Garden, I'm going to show you how we do one rockwood, and then we'll go ahead and speed it up and do all of them. So as you can see, here's what has been sprouted so far. Plants are looking good. Some of these are kind of small, but I'm going to sprout them anyway. So the way you do it is you take a corner of the rockwood, or you take a row of the rockwood. We'll do this one, and you just break them into squares. Just like that. This net pot would be in the tower, so then you just feed it into the tower and push it all the way in so that it is fully able to contact the water. This is vermiculite in the center, and that's what the seed is actually growing in. So before weather conditions deteriorate too rapidly, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up a little bit. Okay, we've got all but 12 planted, and as you can see, they have not sprouted yet. So we're going to let these 12 go a little bit longer and see what they do. If we don't see sprouts in the next couple days, we'll go ahead and resow seeds in them and get them planted. Okay, you can see that we have the seeds all sown and the rockwood put in the Tower Garden. In the last segment I said that we had 12 that did not sprout. And as you can see, what we've done is put a cover in those net pots. That's going to keep out extra light and other materials such as rainwater and algae and other stuff that's in the air. Again, check back in a couple of weeks. We'll let you know, we'll give you an update on how the tower is doing. Until next time, be safe and be well.